Here is a Coolify review. Coolify is accessible on Safari, Chrome, or Google. Just go ahead and search for coolify.com. As you can see, Coolify is an open source and self-hostable alternative application. And then, as you can see, it is already partnered by different companies, so you don't have to worry about its features. For the features, any language can be seen, any server can serve, and any use case because you can deploy your resources to a single server. And then, you can also do push to deploy and Git integration. As you can see, it has a lot of features on yourself, so you don't have to worry if you want something that is going to host the AI that you want. For you to be able to use it, just what you need to do is go ahead and sign in. As you can see, this is the sample of the dashboard that they have. So if you want an organized, self-hosted AI, Coolify is the good one for you because it is very secured when it comes to privacy settings and you don't have to worry that the information that you shared will leak.